As soon as we open the TV Analyzer mode, we are presented with 3 docking panels, each showing different information about the signal received. One of them will have a greater area assigned, and the other 2 are smaller. In order to choose which information we want to display in each panel, we must press over the triangle icon in the top left corner of the corresponding panel. A menu will unfold with all the tools and info that is possible to display from that panel. At the top right corner of each panel we find a plus icon. By pressing on it, we can send the info from one small panel to the big one, or, if pressed on the big panel, it will maximize that panel to full screen. Once maximized, we can again press on the minus icon to minimize that panel. When any of the available measuring tools is displayed in the right panel, we will find sometimes a cog icon in the top right area. Pressing on it will unfold additional configuration options for that tool. In following tutorial videos, we will be explaining each of these tools in detail. In the lower part of the screen, we find several buttons. From left to right, Home button, it brings us back to the main home menu. Tuning channel. Here we can set whether we want to receive terrestrial or satellite L-band signals. When working under terrestrial band, the meter will cover from 45 to 1000 MHz, while when working under satellite band, it will cover from 250 to 2350 MHz. Besides that, we can choose to tune by frequency or by channel, and in the latter option, which channel plan we want to use and which frequency or channel we desire to tune. Below those fields, we find the broadcast signal type selection, the center frequency in the spectrum analyzer panel, the span selection, reference level, and attenuator to be used in case we prefer to input it manually. Pressing the next button will take you to the same menu but directly to the signal type field. Finally, on the right half, we find 2 informative fields for the broadcast channel being tuned, its network name and transport stream total bitrate.